the revelation of the promised Messiah says, Anta Shaikh al Masih al
Yes.
What is actually
Anta Shaikh al Masih al
what is the actual meaning of this revelation? How do we interpret it?
The meaning is obvious that you are the great Masih whose time is not wasted. That means that Hazrat Masih Maud put every second of his life available to him in the service of Allah. Yet he sometimes perhaps was worried about. Sometime and he lost. He was eating, he was sleeping as well. He was resting sometime. He was talking to children. So something must have been lying heavy on him, which Allah wanted him to be put to rest. So he said that although you have done everything in your power to sacrifice your time, every morsel of your time to my sake, yet I see you're not completely happy and content. You feel perhaps that a part thereof may have been wasted. But I know you, and I tell you, this is a glad tidings for you, that as I see, not a single second of your life is wasted, and everything is being put into the service of Allah. This is a reassurance from Allah, and that also tells a story, untold story, of what passed in the mind and heart of the Muslim before this revelation.